So here is Argos Pay. This is a new app in UK where you can just have flexibility over your payments in UK. It's kind of like Klarna, alternative to Klarna. Stay in control with the mobile app and manage your account. Easily check your latest balance and available credit limit, view your latest transactions, track the progress of your installment, buy now, pay later plans, make a payment, your account direct debit, and then you can just see in here the details. Buy what you love, pay back early with no early repayment fee, track your payment plans. And that's kind of the idea in here, what they have. And then you just need to sign up. So to register, this is the process where you can just go tap register and create an account. Your account details, you will need 16-digit account number, your phone, we'll send you one-time passcode, OTP to your phone, your online registration number. This is a 6-digit code we send you via mail for your account. You can still register. You don't have by using send again via email link. So that's kind of the idea. Help us support, and yeah, you can just get started.